Mama, yum, mama, yum. I'm making something for Megan, Jean. Collard greens, lettuce, carrots, avocado. I'll show you what it is. It's flying a little bit. We're gonna put coconut aminos. We're gonna put pink Himalayan salt. And I'm gonna feed my lover, my mother, my daughter. My lover. You want some mango in it?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Wait, we're saving that for you.
No, okay.
Wait, we have another one. Oh, I thought this was a cooking show. We can't cut this out. But hey, it's all good. I just cleaned the floor. You have a rainbow on your back.
No. Okay, guys, I wanted to make it look good, but now it's all scattered, but still good.
It's
Still good.
it's beautiful.
Add a little letter. More avocado. So what is it, babe? What did I put here?
It looks like you got some carrots. Did you put limon?
I'm gonna put limon and pink salt.
You got some of this type of lettuce, and then you have a collard green. I don't know what you got going on over here.
So we're gonna put some mango. So collard greens, lettuce, avocado, carrots, some nice mango, and they're gonna be liquid aminos,
Organic coconut aminos.
pink Himalayan salt. So, boom. Boom. Shoop, and then
Just
roll
roll it
it
up.
Wait, let me just.
And that's how we roll. Would you do the honors of taking the first bite?
Yo, 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 yo!
Okay, this is it.
A big, a big one like the one you did earlier. Open your mouth. Open it. Open it. Open it. No, I died. You were freaking eating it earlier. There we go. Ah, my finger! Here, hold it. Don't let it drop. This is some good stuff.